Progress Data Cloud, or PDC, offers a secure, cloud-based hosting environment. PDC provides infrastructure and orchestration for Progress Data Platform products. PDC allows organizations to run data services in a scalable, managed environment with integrated features such as semantic modeling, data integration, and SharePoint Online connectivity. In this guided tour, we'll explore the PDC user interface and show you how to access the products and services provided by PDC. Please note that your interface may look slightly different from mine, depending on your role and access permissions. But before we begin, let's understand how you can obtain access to PDC. In PDC, organizations or companies are referred to as tenants. Each tenant has a tenant administrator and may also have a co-administrator who helps manage the tenant. Tenant administrators are responsible for managing roles, users, service accounts, and domains for their tenant. There are two ways a new user can be added to PDC. A tenant administrator can register the user, or the user can self-register. To know more about the registration process, contact your tenant administrator. Once you're registered, you can sign into PDC. To get started, open your tenancy link in a web browser, select your authentication provider, and enter your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on the PDC homepage. The homepage is a good place to start our tour. Here, you can see all the environments you have access to. Environments let you organize work into separate areas, such as development, staging, and production. Please note that only the PDC operations team can set up or modify an environment's name and contents. Clicking any environment takes you to its associated apps. If you have only one environment, you can access your apps right from the homepage. Each app opens in a new browser tab. Here, I've opened an instance of Semaphore Studio. Semaphore Studio is the home for all your Semaphore apps and services, including knowledge model management. To return to the homepage, go back to the previous tab and then click either the back arrow or the Progress Data Cloud logo. Next, click the waffle icon next to the Progress Data Cloud logo. This opens a sidebar menu with quick links to your assigned apps organized by environment. Select any link to open the app. Here, I've opened the admin UI for the MarkLogic server. MarkLogic is a document-based NoSQL multi-model database. Now, let's check the notification icon. Click it to view your current notifications. Next to it is the Cog icon, your configuration menu. Here, you'll find links to services, users, roles, and SharePoint Online. Please note that access to users, roles, and SharePoint Online links is determined by your role and subscription. Now, let's explore each of these links. Click Services. A service is a product for which your organization has purchased a specific level of access. On this tab, you can configure service endpoints, monitor service activity, and view API integration details. You can also request the operations team to add new services, modify existing ones, or remove them. Next, click Users. Here, you can view user details, download the user list, invite new users, or create service accounts. Next, click Roles. Here, you can see defined roles, set default roles, and add custom roles. Each role grants a set of access permissions. You can hover over them to see their details. Finally, click SharePoint Online. The SharePoint Online functionality enables PDC-hosted Semaphore services to interact with SharePoint Online. This includes automatically classifying content and synchronizing model information with the SharePoint Online term store. Need assistance? Click the Help icon. From here, you can access all essential support and documentation resources, including links to contact your tenant administrators and the Progress technical support team. To manage your account, click the Account icon. Here, you can view your user account and your tenant's configuration details. For example, if you click your username, you can access your API key, login info, assigned roles, and personal information. That's the end of our tour. To sign out, click the Account icon and select Sign Out. Thank you for exploring Progress Data Cloud with us. For additional resources, check the description below.